Welcome to this lesson on burning tokens, a key concept in tokenomics. Token burning is a mechanism used to reduce the supply of cryptocurrency tokens, which can potentially influence their value. In this video, we'll explore what token burning is, how it works, and why projects use this strategy. Token burning is the permanent removal of cryptocurrency tokens from circulation. This is done by sending tokens to a wallet address that nobody can access. Once tokens are sent to this special address, they become completely inaccessible and can never be recovered or used again. Think of it like physically burning paper money, except in the digital world, these tokens are locked away forever in a wallet that has no private key. The burning process works through 4 key mechanisms. First, tokens are sent to what's called a burn address, which is a wallet with no private key, making it impossible for anyone to access. Second, the process is irreversible, meaning once tokens are burned, they cannot be recovered under any circumstances. Third, the entire process is transparent, as all burn transactions are permanently recorded and visible on the blockchain for anyone to verify. Finally, burning reduces the total circulating supply of tokens, making the remaining tokens potentially more scarce. Here's a real example of a burn address used on the Ethereum blockchain. The address is 0x0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 exists for it. Any tokens sent to this address are permanently locked and removed from circulation forever. There are 3 main types of token burns. Manual burns occur when project teams decide to burn tokens at specific times or after certain events, like reaching milestones or completing quarterly reviews. Automatic burns happen through smart contracts that automatically burn a small percentage of tokens with each transaction on the network. Buyback and burn is when projects use their revenue or profits to purchase tokens from the open market and then burn them, removing them from circulation. Token burning affects value through basic supply and demand economics. When you have a lower supply of tokens, but the demand remains the same or increases, this creates scarcity. According to economic principles, when something becomes more scarce while demand stays constant, its price tends to increase. This is the fundamental reason why projects implement token burning, to potentially drive up the value of remaining tokens by making them more scarce. Token burning offers several benefits to cryptocurrency projects and holders. First, it creates artificial scarcity by reducing the total number of tokens available. Second, it provides value protection by combating inflation and helping maintain or increase token value over time. Third, it rewards existing holders because as supply decreases, each remaining token represents a larger share of the total supply. Finally, it serves as a trust signal, demonstrating that the project team is committed to long-term value creation for their community. While token burning sounds promising, there are important things to remember. First, burns don't automatically guarantee value increases. If demand for the token decreases or stays low, burning alone won't make the price go up. The market still needs buyers who want the token. Second, always verify burns by checking the blockchain records yourself. Some projects claim to burn tokens, but don't actually do it. Finally, remember that burns are just one component of overall tokenomics. A project needs strong fundamentals, real utility, and genuine demand to succeed in the long term.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.